Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock in Kite only way. Start by opening a reliable brokerage account, complete identity verification, and link a bank for transfers. Next, deposit funds, use limit orders to control entry price, and choose share quantity based on risk limits. Finally, set alerts and a basic stop to protect capital while you learn the company fundamentals and market drivers. Research is key to confident buying decisions, so use credible filings and summaries to form a thesis. Review quarterly results, revenue growth, and margin trends, then compare those metrics to competitors to gauge relative strength. Look for consistent cash flow, management commentary, and any regulatory notes that could affect operations. Use price charts to identify reasonable entry zones and confirm your thesis before committing capital to a trade. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and thanks for the support. Quick recommendation. The product you see here keeps me hydrated during long research sessions, making focused trading easier and more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Enjoy the practical convenience, and now let's get back to the video. When placing an order, choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set your preferred price. Size your position using a fixed dollar amount or percentage of your portfolio to maintain balanced risk. If you want downside protection, place a stop order below your entry or technical support. Monitor fills, confirm order execution, and adjust if partial fills occur, keeping transaction costs and commissions in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.